Hey guys, before we get started, hit that subscribe button, turn on notification, give it a big thumbs up. Today guys, we're doing the slime laboratory kit that I got for Christmas by, I don't know who, I think it was from Santa, but
we already opened everything, so let's just eat that over there.
Yeah, we don't need that. We have the instructions.
Or this.
Or this.
Why is your guys' shirts like that? Is that your painting shirts?
Yeah, these are our painting
Just so
shirts.
people don't think that you're like sloppy looking. That's your painting shirts.
Yes. So today we're gonna do the clear glue with this container. I still gotta figure out what these two are for. But we're gonna have to use, I think, this, and then this, and then the stem.
It's instant.
All right, so instead of maybe yeeting the directions, you want to read the directions?
I don't need directions. Nobody needs directions.
I'll be right back.
Oh.
First, we gotta take 90 mLs of hot water, and we're gonna add 1 spoonful of the sodium tetra, whatever that is.
Skibbity.
Put it in the water and mix it.
This one?
Yep. Mix it until it dissolves.
Hey, isn't it powder?
Don't powders not dissolve?
Nope, they will with hot water.
Oh, wow.
Next step, it says to add 15 mLs of the white glue
White glue. White?
to 25 mLs of water. So basically, make sure that's filled to the top with the white glue.
Grace, do it. Just this one?
Yes, the small one.
Alright, because that would be annoying. We had to put that over there.
Use your power.
I'm stronger. Is that good?
Nope, a little more.
Is it supposed to be raising the water?
Yeah, of course, because you're adding something thicker to it.
Let go.
A little more.
That? Now?
Yep.
Porridge. Just like it's some good porridge. Porridge, honey.
All right, and then it says add 1 or 2 scoopfuls of this at a time until you got the consistency of the slime that you would like.
Consistency.
Put a little bit of the solution in,
Activator?
the activator.
Holy Spirit, activate.
Holy Spirit, activate.
Is it supposed to be like that?
Yes.
Yeah, you got to make it until you think you like the slime.
Yeah, do you want it that sticky?
Yeah. But
Okay,
I
then
thought I was
make it.
supposed to grab some more of it.
Grace, you got yours the thickness that you want?
Yes.
All right, James is going to make his at a clear. Go ahead, James.
See the difference?
Give me yours.
First, we'll need to get all this up.
James, you add the activation solution to it,
What if I don't add any?
then it won't harden.
It won't be how you want it to be. Ugh.
All right, Grace, what do you got? You going to add some glitter now?
Yeah, but first I gotta get it unsticked from me. Finally.
A little bit more.
Now we got to open it. Oh. So
These, sprinkle these.
I feel like a little too much sprinkles.
It's all right, mix it up.
Yep, I got what I want.
James is adding some instant snow. Grace has gold sparkles, and she's getting ready to add some purple paint.
But can
to
I
it.
also add instant snow?
Grab some then.
I don't know.
Oh wait, make sure you want yours.
Yeah. So now
Mix it.
no way! This is so cool. Can I mix multiple colors?
Yes.
It might turn black, though. It won't turn purple.
Huh? Fancy schmancy.
What do you think of your slime with the snow in it?
It's good. I'm just mixing it around.
You want any color into it?
No, I'm just gonna make it green like all my pickles. And maybe even put a burger on it.
Now I'm gonna use my hands when this dang thing gets off of me. Okay. Oh.
This is so long.
That's what.
That's more taller than me.
Grace, what do you got going on?
Spirit, activate. Please.
Let me see yours stretch out. Can you stretch it?
Not too far, but it stretches.
Uh,
That's how I wanted it to be, actually.
so what do you guys think of this kit?
It's good.
Yeah,
Look, you got enough sparkles and enough glue to maybe make what, like 10 more little projects?
I want white little. I want little white balls.
I wonder if I'm able. This is how they turned out, guys. Thanks for watching. We're gonna do like maybe 10 more if we can. But thanks for watching. Bye.